Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to edit your Wix website. Editing your website is not just changing words or moving images, it's how you shape first impressions, trust, and conversions. A website that looks outdated, confusing, or unfinished silently pushes visitors away. A clean, updated site does the opposite. It builds credibility in seconds. Start by logging into your Wix account and going to your dashboard. On the top right corner, click Edit Site. What this does. This opens the Wix editor. The editor is your workspace where you visually customize text, images, layouts, pages, apps, branding. Once the editor loads, you can click directly on any text element on your website, then select Edit Text. Editing text. Inside the text editor, you can change wording/content, font style, font size, color, alignment, effects, shadow, animation, etc. Text isn't decoration, it communicates value. Make it clear before making it fancy. What good text changes do? Clarify your offer, improve professionalism, increase trust, guide users to action. Now click on Add Elements. This lets you insert new components such as buttons, text boxes, images, galleries, contact forms, social icons. Use this when something important is missing. Next, click Add Section. What this is. Instead of adding one item, you add a whole pre-designed block. Examples, hero banners, testimonials, FAQs, contact sections, team sections. This saves time and keeps layouts clean. Click on Pages and Menu. Here you can add pages, rename pages, delete pages, hide pages, rearrange navigation menus. This controls how visitors move through your website. Click on Site Design. This controls your global branding. Colors, fonts, themes, page background. Use this when your site feels inconsistent. Instead of changing everything manually, this updates site-wide styling. Click on Wix App Market. This is where you install extra features such as booking systems, live chat, forms, timelines, stores, calendars. Apps extend what your site can do. Click on My Business. Depending on your setup, this may help manage leads, contacts, bookings, invoices, payments. This is where website needs operations. Click on Wix Media. This is your file library where you manage images, videos, documents. You can also select media here and place it directly onto the website. Smart Media Advice. Don't upload random images. Use high-quality photos, consistent branding visuals, fast-loading optimized files. Preview your changes. Once you finish editing, click Preview. This shows how visitors will see the site. Use it to check layout spacing, mobile appearance, broken text, buttons, image placement. Publish your changes. If everything looks good, click Publish. What Publish means? Your edits go live to the public website. Until you publish, many edits remain only in the editor. What you just did. You opened the editor, changed content, updated design, added features, previewed results, published improvements. You actively improved your online presence. To summarize, editing your Wix website begins by logging into your account, opening the dashboard, and selecting Edit Site to access the Wix editor. Inside the editor, you can modify text, fonts, styles, and visual effects by clicking directly on page elements. Additional tools allow you to add new elements, insert full content sections, manage pages and menus, update site-wide branding through site design, install apps through the Wix App Market, manage business tools, and upload or place media from your file library. After making changes, Preview Mode lets you review the visitor experience before publishing updates live. While the tools are user-friendly, effective editing depends on intentional choices that improve clarity, usability, and trust. When approached strategically, regular website edits can significantly improve both appearance and performance. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.